Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this Magnifique 4-quart casserole digital slow cooker. It has a premium ceramic inside for the bakeware, which is oven and dishwasher safe, and it is just amazing. This thing is so convenient. I love that it comes with that little rubber band on top if you are transporting this somewhere. So convenient. It has a really easy to use electric panel that has a high setting for 2 to 3 hours of cooking and a low setting for 4 to 5 hours of cooking. And then one of my favorites, it has a warming setting. That is key for when something finishes so it doesn't get overcooked, but yet it'll stay warm. You can use this in the evening for family dinners and keep dinner hot until everyone has time to eat. This is perfect for about 4 to 6 people. These are the controls. Again, you have high, low, and then you can adjust the time up or down, and then you simply press the button on the right and that starts the program that you choose. I call it pretend cabbage rolls, which is just a cabbage roll without rolling them up. Super awesome outcome. Everyone loved dinner tonight. I love this. I think that you will too. Definitely pick one of these up. I'm giving this an enthusiastic 2 thumbs up. Highly recommend.